Did the Creator develop human behavior in such a way that we see so much chaos now? And in order to force us to awakening/enlightenment, we now see a climax coming.
Yes, in general, to what you asked. There's two things going on. One is there is a general spiritual pressure that is forcing all of humanity to acknowledge the need for the connection to the upper force and the understanding that we are a single being. And to make the changes, internal changes, that will allow us to live that state instead of constantly working against it. Human behavior, now that's the force of nature that's coming from the Creator. What you're seeing in human nature is the ignorance of that and the conviction that external things are going to change that it's possible to come to a unified state in which all humanity is accepted and nourished by us. We can't live in that kind of unity, that kind of socialist, communistic, holistic way of being without changing the most fundamental aspects of our nature. That's what Kabbalah is about. It's to enable us to get past these kinds of very profound pressures and changes that occur through history. But it's all purposeful. But it requires a response from us for sure. Just the pressure won't do the job. It's the correct response to the pressure, and we're trying to, as much as possible, as far as we know and as much as we can share this, to give this wisdom of how to actually live in a completely global, holistic reality, which is what we're being pushed towards. Humanity's resisting it because it doesn't want to change, wants other people to change. All of humanity will attain the goal of creation. But Kabbalah is for people who are consciously aware of this need in them. And the people who study this serve a function for helping unify this awareness and bring it up even in aspects of humanity, the great numbers, let's call it, of humanity that's not awakened, that it comes up in a not completely conscious way, but people just will feel moved to agree with it. But unless a core of humanity does this, and it doesn't have to be big, it can be quite small. Unless that happens consciously, the rest of humanity can't unconsciously begin to think, yes, that's the right way to live. And it's not just Kabbalists, but those aimed at that goal with a real method to bring it into conscious awareness. It's a special kind of work at a certain level. There's other kinds of work at other levels and so on, and it covers all of creation.